Hey guys, Zero to Code Hero Perspective, episode 5.5, our strings perspective. So, we're going to go into detail, a deep dive on strings. It's not going to be comprehensive A to Z, but I do want to give you the heads up, the foundation to be comfortable with your code. You will feel confident using strings. They're not just words, they're basically everything when it comes to what you're seeing on your computer screen, your text messages, your chats, your username, your anything digital display is output from a string, and they are very important. They are a way of identifying information, conveying information, etc, etc, etc. um, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in, and I'm gonna start with some basics, and then we'll move on to using length and indexing. So calculating the length of strings, finding specific points are index in strings. We're gonna slice, and I'm also gonna show you how to manipulate some text as well as format. So let's go. Alrighty, so we're gonna head over to our IDE of choice. I'm using Visual Studio Community Edition today. Previously I was using PyCharm, so I'm trying to go through a couple so you can see some of them. After this, I'll probably try using Visual Studio Code as well. But I just want you to know that there's a ton of different IDEs, or you know, just platforms that you can use to make your code. You can even use Notepad++, text editors, stuff like that. Obviously, some are more robust than others. But first, let's start with the basics. A string. So we know a string is a data type. So we know that we can create a variable. So let's say we'll say name, and we'll do the data type of string by putting our quotation marks. I do want to touch base on this. If you're going to use single quotes or double quotes, make sure that you're consistent across the board. I personally like using single quotes, and keeping the double quotes for text inside those single quotes, like if I need to quote something. But user preference, it's really up to you. Just make sure you're consistent. So we'll put name. Let's say maybe we can put, what's a good name to put here? We'll put Dean Winchester. So we're going to put Dean Winchester. That's our name there. Good old Dean. So as we can see, we have